Improving English speaking skills is all about practice and confidence. One effective method is to immerse yourself in the language. Try speaking to yourself in English throughout the day. Describe what you're doing, express your thoughts, or even narrate your favorite movie scenes. Another great technique is to find a language partner. This could be a friend or someone online. Engaging in conversations helps you think on your feet and get comfortable with spontaneous speech. Don't shy away from making mistakes. They're part of the learning process. Additionally, mimic native speakers. Listen to podcasts or watch shows, and repeat phrases or sentences. This not only improves your pronunciation, but also helps you pick up idiomatic expressions. Lastly, set small, achievable goals. Whether it's learning 5 new words a day or practicing for 10 minutes, these little steps build your confidence and fluency over time. Remember, the key is consistency and a willingness to step outside your comfort zone.